profit percent sales was mentioned in year 6 as one of the metrics. And I'd like to make a deep dive here on the return metric. Let's assume we have a simple corporation. They have 2 products, an orange and an apple. And let's say oranges have a margin of 20% and apples have 10%. And the question to you is, what can you do to actually improve the profit margin? Reduce cost, yes. Increase sales. So what is the sneaky answer? You have now a compensation, pay for performance. It's based on profit margin and you want to increase the profit margin. What do?
Stop selling B.
Right, stop selling B. The implication is in a company with many products where it's not so transparent, what you should do. If profit margins are your pay relevant metric, what you do is you're selling high margin products and you forget the low margin products. And that's actually against the interest of the company. You wouldn't have, built Walmart based on high profit margins. You can also make a profit from products that have small profit margins. There's still a two whatever profit that is going to be lost if you stop doing B. You could increase the sales of A. The point that I would like to make is that it's sufficient to just not do B to increase your pay. And this is a wrong incentive in large corporations where they have products with different margins. Because even the low margin products may provide a return.